I'm Danny from Rough Rider News. I caught up with Mr. Sommerstorfer to talk with him a little bit about the bowling club.
The idea of making Bowling Club more came to me by our principal, Miss Harrison, as she was looking for a sponsor and also for an advisor for Bowling Club. A lot of my earlier years, I was a major bowler. I loved bowling. I bowled with my family. I bowled with friends. The first year that I actually did Bowling Club, I honestly had no clue how many students would show up. Honestly, I was blown away from the first time that I did this last year with the amount of support and the amount of students that really wanted to do this and were excited to do it. And I think what even more so, kind of surprised me was the continuation to this year, that there really was no drop off. And I would even argue that we even had more students this year, even compared to even my first year doing this.
The bowling club will start again in February. If you're interested in joining this semester, be on the lookout for upcoming information. I'm Danny from Rough Rider News. Thank you for watching.